Have you ever imagined a world where cars glide silently, emitting nothing but a gentle hum? This is the promise of electric cars, a revolution already in motion. Step inside an EV and you'll instantly notice the difference. The silence is the first thing that strikes you. Gone is the roar of the internal combustion engine, replaced by a serene quiet. Then there's the acceleration, smooth, instant torque that throws you back in your seat. This is the electric dream, a future where driving is not just a necessity but a joy. But behind this sleek exterior and exhilarating performance lies a complex tapestry of technology. At the heart of every electric car is a marvel of modern engineering, the lithium-ion battery. This powerhouse stores the energy that propels the vehicle, and its development has been instrumental in making electric cars a viable alternative to their gasoline-powered counterparts. The journey from concept to reality has been long and challenging, but the result is a transportation revolution that's changing the world, one electric mile at a time. Lithium-ion batteries are the beating heart of every electric car. These remarkable energy storage devices have a higher energy density than other battery types, meaning they can store more power in a smaller space. This is crucial for electric vehicles where weight and space are at a premium. Lithium-ion batteries work by shuttling lithium ions between two electrodes, the anode and cathode. When the battery charges, lithium ions move from the cathode to the anode, storing energy. During discharge, the ions flow back to the cathode, releasing that stored energy as electricity to power the car's motor. The development of lithium-ion batteries has been a game-changer for electric vehicles. Their high energy density allows for longer driving ranges, addressing one of the biggest concerns of potential EV buyers. Moreover, lithium-ion batteries are constantly being improved, with researchers working on increasing their capacity, charging speed and lifespan. As battery technology continues to advance, we can expect even better performance and affordability from electric cars in the future. This continuous innovation is what makes lithium-ion batteries such a vital component in the quest for sustainable transportation. While the battery provides the energy, it's the electric motor that transforms it into motion. Electric motors are inherently more efficient than internal combustion engines. They can convert a much higher percentage of electrical energy into mechanical power, resulting in less energy wasted as heat. This efficiency translates into significant cost savings for EV owners, who can travel much farther on a kilowatt-hour of electricity than they could on a gallon of gasoline. But the advantages of electric motors go beyond mere efficiency. They are also incredibly responsive, delivering instant torque the moment you step on the accelerator. This results in exhilarating acceleration and a level of performance that traditional gasoline engines struggle to match. Furthermore, electric motors are much quieter than their combustion counterparts. The absence of any explosions within the engine means a smoother, quieter ride, contributing to a more pleasant driving experience overall. This combination of efficiency, performance, and quiet operation makes electric motors a superior alternative for powering vehicles.